Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm so excited. I'm going to be sharing with you spoilers for July's ice cream box and July's Slay Glam box. Now, if you're not familiar with ice cream, it's $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box, and if you use code Michelle10, you're going to get 10% off your first subscription box. And if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. And if you use code Michelle Martin, you're going to get 10% off your first subscription box. And if you like these spoiler videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up so that way I know that you like these videos and I can try to keep doing spoilers for you every month. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. But yeah, girl, let's talk about some spoilers. So I'm going to start off with Slay Glam. So our first spoiler from Slay Glam is going to be the High Kira lip gloss, and we're going to get one of 2 shades. I've tried a bronzer from the High Kira brand and it was really nice, so I'm excited to try a lip gloss from them. I'm a lip gloss fan, so I'm always excited to receive and try a new lip gloss. Next up is the metallic eyeliner trio. And we're getting a silver blue, and a green metallic. So that's always nice. I love to get eyeliners, and I love to get colored eyeliners anymore because I'm not one that's going to go buy a colored eyeliner personally. Like if I'm going to buy eyeliner, it's going to be black or it's going to be brown. I don't really go for anything other than those 2 colors, but it's been so nice to get out my comfort zone. I've gotten a couple of colored eyeliners from these boxes. So for spoiler number 3 from Slay Glam is going to be Bombshell Loose Pigments. Now, these shades that you're seeing are supposed to be the shades that we're getting. They haven't been confirmed, so the shades could vary, but fingers crossed that we're getting these shades. I've tried a eyeshadow base from Bombshell and it was absolutely gorgeous. I love it. I use it a lot still. But yeah, I can't wait to try some of their loose pigments. So for spoiler number 4, we're getting ColourPop Super Shock Shadows, and we're getting both of these. I cannot wait. I love ColourPop Super Shock Shadows. They're very buttery. They're really nice shadows, and we're getting both shades, which is amazing. Like you guys, we have 4 spoilers and we're already up to 9 items. So for our last and final spoiler from Slay Glam is going to be Lorella Cosmetics Desert Skies palette. Look at this palette. This color story is beautiful. This box, I can't get over it. We're getting 10 items in this box. I understand that the eyeliner counts as 1. I know that the Super Shock shadows count as 1. I know that the Bombshell loose pigments count as 1. But it's amazing that Slay Glam can do all of this for $24 a month. I mean, it really is amazing. I would definitely say that Slay Glam slayed their box for the month of July, and I cannot wait to receive it and get on here and try it out with you guys. Okay, so now let's go over the spoilers for ice cream. So the first spoiler for ice cream is going to be the Pure Lano Light Up Gloss. I've never tried anything from this brand. I'm super happy to be getting gloss. I'm a gloss girl, so I love that I get to try a different brand for lip gloss. So for spoiler 2 for ice cream is going to be the Illuminati Cosmetics Liner Duo, and I'm super stoked about this one. We're getting a pink and a blue, and I can't wait to try these, honestly. They look beautiful. Like I said, I would never personally buy these, but I'm so happy that these boxes are sending us some colored eyeliners. I love that. So our third spoiler for ice cream is going to be the Saint Luxe highlighter. Now the colors will vary on this highlighter, but I am so happy to be getting this highlighter. This one in the picture looks gorgeous. So yeah, I love me a good highlighter. For our 4th spoiler is going to be a Basic Beauty bronzer. And what I really loved about this bronzer was that it has 3 different shades in here. And our 5th and final spoiler for ice cream is going to be the Mora Daydream palette. Yes, I'm so excited. Like between these 2 boxes, you guys, like these 2 boxes were made for me for sure because I mean, it's got eyeshadow for days in both of these boxes, and I'm just like, yes. Yeah, I can't wait to get my boxes and get on here and try them out with you guys. So I'm gonna say, make sure that you comment and let me know what's your favorite product out of each box. Like, what are you looking forward to getting out of each box? So for Slay Glam, I'm gonna say, it's so hard to pick. I think I'm gonna say that the eyeshadow palette for Slay Glam. It just has such a pretty color story to it. So I'm like, I think I'm leaning towards the eyeshadow palette for Slay Glam. I want to say the eyeshadow palette for Ice Cream, but I'm not going to, girl. I'm only going to pick one. So I'm going to say the eyeliners. I'm super excited to try out the pink and the blue eyeliners. I think that they're going to be gorgeous. And hopefully, you know, they show up. And if they do, that pink is going to be so nice for summertime. But yeah, I'm so excited to receive these boxes and get on here and try them out with you guys. Like I said, make sure that you comment below and let me know what is your favorite products out of each box. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!